magma rises and the cooler magma sinks in the mantle, the land heats up faster than the sea. How about warm air near the Earth's surface? All of this happens because of convection currents.
Yes. So today, we will gonna talk about convection currents, how it makes the tectonic plates to move, and why do convection currents form?
Convection currents are heat-driven cycles that move energy from one location to another.
This happens because particles within a solid are fixed in place. Convection currents are seen only in gases and liquids. A temperature difference leads to an energy transfer from an area of higher energy to one of lower energy.
Convection that occurs naturally is called natural convection or free convection. If a fluid is circulated using a fan or a pump, it's called forced convection. The cell formed by convection currents is called a convection cell or Bénard cell.
Now, are you confused why the convection form? A temperature difference causes particles to move, creating a current. In gases and plasma, a temperature difference also leads to higher and lower density regions, where atoms and molecules move to fill in areas of low pressure. Scientists analyze the forces acting on the fluid to categorize and understand convection currents. These forces may include gravity, surface tension, concentration differences, electromagnetic fields, vibrations, and bond formation between molecules.
Convection currents can be modeled and described using convection diffusion equations, which are scalar transport equations.
As you can see in our experiment, the red liquid represents hot magma and blue liquid represents cold magma. So as you can see, the blue liquid sinks in and the red liquid floats. It means there is a convection current happen. By that, we justify that when convection current happens, the hot magma will float and cold magma will sink in.
Thank you, and we hope that you've learned something from our educational video today.
I'm Johanna Pasakala,
Arjun Gamana,
Abigail Timana,
Ibain Panio,
Estrella Hulaga, Sheena Simbaon,
And Joseph Camir Mahinay.
see you on our next video that explores the world of